I have a special little treat for you. This is a 4-ingredient chewy coconut cookie that tastes exactly like a macaroon in a cookie. You are going to love it. I love it because it's vegan, gluten-free, paleo, and low histamine. So with only 4 ingredients, it makes it super simple. You are going to need a food processor for this. So I've got my food processor out. I've got 2.5 cups of coconut chips. Yeah, this is what it looks like. They're really, really large. Or you can use large coconut flakes. So we're going to put that into the food processor. I made these the other day, and I have to tell you, I craved them so bad that I really wanted to share it with you guys, because I thought, what a great little kind of springtime easy cookie treat that you don't have to feel too guilty about, because it's got all good stuff in it for you, and it's super simple to make. And it stores really well in the fridge, the batter. So I've got a 1/2 cup of almond flour here too. So we're gonna throw that in. Okay, then we have a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. This is your natural sweetener, and it may sound like a lot at the moment, but I'm gonna tell you it is perfectly balanced because that coconut has no added sugar in it. So you wanna make sure to get a non-sweetened coconut flake. Then we're gonna take a 1/4 cup of coconut oil. This is going to be really yummy. If you are a macaroon lover, you are going to love these. And honestly, I think anybody who loves coconut is going to think these are incredible. They are crunchy on the outside and still have a nice, like I just split it open and it's supple and soft on the inside. Love having something to just sink my teeth into and get really in the middle of it. Get those coconut chips kind of broken up, but still have some big chunks in it too. All right, it is so done and ready for that sweetness. I'm gonna take a cookie scoop, a really big cookie scoop, because I need some big cookies. Put out a dollop, just fill it, put it out there until we fill an entire cookie sheet. Now put these cookies about 2 to 3 inches apart. These are gonna spread out. Now, if you have blended up the coconut until it's smaller flakes, they're not gonna spread out, they're just gonna stay like little cookie mounds, so you may need to push them down. So these little mounds of coconut delight, because it's just gonna be so good in your mouth. Anyway, they go into a 350-degree oven for about 12 to 16 minutes roughly, depending on your oven. So come on, let's stick them in the oven. All right, these are toasty brown, as you can see, but we can't dig into them quite yet. They need to cool for at least 30 minutes to an hour on the cookie sheet on top of a cookie rack. So keep your little mittens out of them, I promise. It's gonna be well worth the wait. All right, they have cooled, and I have to tell you, it smells delicious. It's like I have a seaside tropical resort right here waiting to jump into my mouth. I love the smell of toasted coconut. I wanna show you what these cookies look like and break one open so that you can see. Now it's taste test time, right? The center is so chewy. It's just like a macaroon, kind of gooey. I love it. This is amazing. And then the toasted crisp crunch of the crust on this cookie. It's like the best of both worlds, or at least that's my favorite cookie. These are amazing. It so reminds me of a macaroon and a cookie that I can take with me so easily. You need to try this recipe. You will love it. Let me know if you like the recipe. Send me a message or leave me a comment down below. Hello, you know, because you're gonna love this cookie. Mwah.